Peace, baby.
Hello.
Keep asking.
Little one that leaves the wet footprints. Are you here?
We're right near the pool. What you're seeing, can you come talk to us? You feel anything?
Not really.
Not at the moment.
I
Probably
think
too
it's
much
because
on.
of all
Yeah.
the noise. Hi everyone. So the pool area was the only area we couldn't get access to, sadly. They're under renovations, but don't fear, next time we're here, we'll be making sure that the pool is actually open. There's some incredible spooky stories about the pool, but sadly, this time round we couldn't have access, though we did gain access to the library and many other places that are off limits to the public. We met up with a manager and he was just incredible. So I've got a lot of photos I can show you, but the pool area, sadly, we didn't have access to. So I just wanted everyone to have a quick glimpse through what I can see myself right up high. Yep.
So this is the infamous pool of the Queen Mary. The spirit of the little girl's been seen here, wet footsteps. There's some sort of festival going on outside at the moment, so it's a little bit noisy. We can't access the pool at the moment. There's some sort of renovations and things going on, so it's a little bit unfortunate, but out here is apparently just as active. So we're gonna do some EVPs. We're gonna see what we can catch. It is a little bit noisy, but we'll make the most of it while we're here. Cheers. If you can come and talk to us, I'd really love to tell your story. Can you tell us who you are? Can you tell us your mum and dad's name? Can you tell me your surname? Can you tell me how you died? Tag, radio interference. Endeavour to hear your voices if you wish. Can you tell us your name? My name's Bill, this is Amanda.
Hello.
We know your story, we know the story of the Queen Mary, but we'd like to know why
You're still here.
you're still here. Did you work on this ship?
Or were you murdered on this ship?
Were you a passenger? If you're a crew member, can you tell us how you died? Or either of you, why are you still here? Any spirit, why are you still here? Is there the child, the little girl that's seen in the pool that leaves wet footprints? Are you here? Do you miss your family? Do you miss your mummy and your daddy? Turn itself off?
That is bizarre.
Someone ringing you?
No?
Someone's ringing me. Hunter. Hello?
Beautiful elevator. Do you want to open up the elevator?
Yeah.
Do you want to go up? Wait, do you want to go up upstairs?
No, did you want to do a recording? Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do a recording. I don't think everyone else is just looking around. I just wanted to show them inside the elevators, that was all.
I don't think it's working. No, it's a historical
Oh,
elevator.
the historical one, so we can go the other
Yeah.
side.
What about the spirit of the child or the little girl footsteps are seen in the pool. Are you here? Can you tell us your name? Can you tell us who you are? Yeah, I've got all that already.
Hi everybody. Queen Mary swimming pool with Bill.
Yeah, we've just been doing some recording around here. Well, it's pretty quiet. There's no one around, so we've been asking some questions, and hopefully we've caught something. But let's do a little quick
But I
session.
have felt a little girl.
Yeah, there is something.
And she has been following us since the first room we were in.
Yeah, well, we saw
And we
her.
actually got confirmation in a book we actually just read that there is a little girl in the first room we stayed in that had passed away. Very interesting.
Yeah, exactly. So, speaking of the little girl that's around here, can you tell us your name, darling? Tell us who you are. Can you tell us what your mummy and your daddy called you? Did they call you sweetheart, or did they call you darling? What was your mum and dad's name? Where did you come from? Do you know where you came from? Why are you still seen here in the pool area? Feel it around me.
Oh yeah, I can feel it too. Absolutely.
Oh, you're a sweet little thing.
Cheeky.
A little bit cheeky. Alright, darling, we're gonna let you go. May God be with you, darling.
Amen.